welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we have a fun story to read together. Are you excited to listen and learn new words?
Yes, Mom, I love stories. Let's begin our reading adventure.
Is Leo's Shape Adventure. Leo loved to play. One sunny morning, he decided to go on a shape hunt. What shapes will I find today? He wondered, skipping along. First, he saw something round and bouncy. Look, he giggled. A big orange ball.
It's a circle.
Yes, he rolled the circle ball. Then he spotted something else, peeking out from behind a bush. Oh, how neat! He exclaimed.
A square window on the little house.
Yes, Leo touched the square window. As he walked on, he looked up at a tall tree. Wow, he whispered.
The tree trunk is a long rectangle.
Yes, the tree trunk is a long rectangle. He traced the rectangle with his finger. Next, he saw something flying in the sky. Hello, little friend, he chirped.
A kite. It's a diamond shape.
Yes, the diamond kite danced in the wind, and Leo continued his walk. Soon he found a yummy slice of watermelon on a picnic blanket.
It's a triangle.
He cooed. He ate the yummy triangle watermelon. Then he saw something twinkling in the grass. What's that? He wondered.
A shiny star-shaped pebble.
Amazing! Leo carefully picked up the star pebble and put it in his pocket. His pocket was getting full of wonderful shapes.
Circle, square, rectangle, diamond, triangle and star.
Amazing! Circle, square, rectangle, diamond, triangle and star. He sat down on a big round rock to rest. My pocket is full of shapes, he said happily.
Circle, square, rectangle, diamond, triangle and star.
Leo loved his shape adventure. Every day was a chance to find new shapes and new wonders. What shapes will you learn today? That was a wonderful story. I loved reading with you today. Remember, every day is a new chance to discover more words and stories.
Thank you, friends. Keep reading and smiling. Bye. Bye bye. See you next time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.